What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the LEGO Star Wars Endor speeder chase. So this one's 608 pieces. This one probably has the most complaints online. It's not that big of a set for the price. Relatively expensive. Overall, though, still looks like it should be a fun set to build. So let's go ahead and get it built. So here's the finished build. It is pretty cool. We have the speed chase happening. Lots of foliage in this one. Again, to add on to other people's complaints, that is how they built up the piece count. They just threw pieces of grass on it, and you put in 50 pieces of grass, and now it's a bigger set. So I think they could have lowered the price on this one and not used so many small pieces that don't add too much to the scene. Also, another complaint I have with this set, the saying is quick jammed or comlink center switch. I just feel like that's not the right, saying to go with this scene. I feel like it could be better. But overall, it's a fun build. You have the 40th anniversary plaque, and this one does have a place to go, which is nice. But I am building all of the Star Wars sets this week. I even got the Luke's X-Wing. So we'll go ahead and get that built too. So make sure you like and subscribe for all the new Star Wars content, and we'll continue our May the 4th celebration this week. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next build.